Good morning. How you doing today? I'm Guy Denig, Fixed Ops Director with Century Buick GMC Trucks, Tampa, Florida. In the last couple of years, we've been challenged to find good quality people like service technicians, GM technicians, good GM service advisors. I had the opportunity to hire Matt Wadiak, and I have to tell you, I'm extremely thankful that I did. Matt's provided me with a great technician. He's also a great employee, and he's become a great friend. We also had the privilege of hiring and finding a gentleman out of Chicago, Illinois, that was looking to relocate, came down, has been right in service with me going on a year now. We got some great results. We couldn't be any more thankful. Matt was easy to work with, his staff, his company. It's a pleasure to deal with him. I highly recommend him to anybody that is looking for good quality people. That's what we're looking for, #1 employees, not just your average guy. So if you have any questions, again, my name is Guy Denig, Fixed Ops Director with Century Buick GMC Trucks in Tampa. Please call myself or Matt Wadiak, and he will help you with any needs at any aspect for sales, service, technicians, advisors. He's your guy. Please give me a call.